Hello everybody, today we are doing a quick sketch of a hand in a position of rest. So if somebody is like lying down, usually the hand goes like that, it's not like that or like that, usually it's like that. So fingers folded in a certain way. So to start off, we're going to use a central point. So an oval will also do, an oval is fine. 2 lines, that's for the wrist. And we're going to show it from an angle, like not exactly from a flat angle, but slightly from an upper angle, like we are looking down on the hand. So if you have just that much in place, and then we can just do straight lines right around there, put an oval here, line right here for the thumb, and then we will set out and draw some more lines. 1, 2, 3. So it's just like spider legs that are being opened up in that direction. And we can even bring them, I think that we should bring them more outward. I would really think that would be more beneficial. So I'm bringing them outward. So sorry about the replacement there. And then this finger though still curled up, and the index finger going behind them, pretty much kind of like that. So we'll start off on this end. Let's put in some straighter lines first. Curled up little finger going into the skin of the hand. Wrist. And then now the fingers, the thickness of the fingers, how thick, how thin they are, it all really depends on the person that we are modeling the hand off of. So okay, so continue. Middle finger. So let's have that line going through as well. Right, I think that far will be fine. And then we have, let's also put the thumb out of the way. And then we go into the middle finger here. I was trying to grab. So just that much is fine. And I'll be using a pen like very shortly to make this a little more presentable. Then I have index finger kicking forward all by himself. So I'm going to grab a pen and make this a little less messy for everyone. Right, so some finger skin details there. I'm going to have this finger come out a little bit more right there. Put in finger details there, and then just behind that finger, and of course that one will have its own details going and stopping somewhere there. Let's put in 2 lines there for the skin that folds here, right where the fingers stop, and then continuing the index finger, I'm going to just stop right there somewhere and put in skin fold, and that is it. So skin fold again, going in the general direction of the shape of the thumb, and then of course you could add in all the details you wish. For example, skin fold here, evident skin folds there. Again, depending on what hand we are modeling this on, it all varies. It's all different. So I made a lot of changes. This is actually more difficult than we think it is. So again, once again, highlighting each finger there, and then so I'm just putting out in a thicker marker just the core things that you need to get this going. So if you just go along the thicker marker, how I've put out the lines there, you should be okay. Right, so please do let us have your comments. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you very much for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.